Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro promos are out, and we also get the official 360 view of the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, including how much these will cost and new fast charging that will come with the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Samsung is going to launch Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro today at Samsung's Unpack event along with Fold 4, Flip 4 and Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Now before the launch, you should get to know that the Watch 5 Pro and Watch 5 pre-orders will start today. If you pre-order any of these devices, you will get a free pair of Galaxy Buds along with your Galaxy Watch 5. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys going to pre-order your Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro? Samsung is going crazy with the Watch 5 charging speed. As in the promo images, we see the 45% battery capacity charged on Watch 5, indicating that the Watch 5 will charge 45% in 30 minutes. As per previously suggested, we may get 10 watt fast charger in Watch 5, and it seems like it is going to be true. And if it's true, then it is double than what Samsung offered in the Galaxy Watch 4 last year. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro all model prices are out, where we see Watch 5 40mm Bluetooth version will cost you €299, 40mm 4G version will cost you $349, 44mm Bluetooth version will cost you $329, and 44mm 4G version will cost you $379, and Watch 5 Pro 45mm Bluetooth version will cost $469, and 45mm 4G version will cost you €519. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be the first Samsung watch to last more than 3 days, and that is because it is going to come with 590 mAh battery, which is more than enough to run 80 hours on single charge. And Watch 5 Pro comes with only two colors, black and gray. The Watch 5 comes with the smaller battery standing at 284 mAh, but its bigger variant comes with 410 mAh, 14% larger than the last generation Watch 5. As per previous leak, Samsung is going to put sapphire crystal glass display in the entire lineup of a Galaxy Watch 5. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you guys going to pre-order your Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.